These guys are working on a building. It's, what did I say earlier? Some kind of masonry company. This guy up here is waiting for something, and this guy ain't gonna help him. Come on, empty the bucket. Oh, he's holding the bucket up because the rope on the other side is right at the top of the first floor. And these guys are watching him, I guess. I don't know. Oh, the guy that just went in the building said, hold that bucket till I get back. And I guess he is. They must be blasting it. Let's do this. Home Depot. Ooh, I think they're resurfacing it with either sandblasting or some kind of cement cover. I wouldn't do that. All right, I don't see anybody working, so... Oh, here comes the guy. This is the boss. This guy here is the boss, so we'll find out what's going on. Oh, and I tripped. I don't mean to do anything other than I tripped. Oh, look at this over here. They're redoing the side of this building, too. What the... See ya? Next to that building over there, it came to the corner with two stores, the Hairdressers and Blumenthal's, which was a hardware store. Well, come to find out one day, the shop that Sharon works at, the Hairdressers, burned and took this whole corner, and they just never did anything with it. Oh Christ, that was 40 some years ago, 40 years ago anyway. Yeah, they just never built it, so this side of the thing, they're putting a little edge on it, I guess. Oh, he brought up his bucket and I missed it. Hi. Sorry? I've been retired too long. They were looking for work. Fuck that. I put in 50 years. I don't need no more. What are you guys doing? Resurfacing?
Yeah, repointing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You keeping the same front, and are you going all the way around?
Yeah, we're going around.
Okay.
I guess the water was getting
Yep. Yep.
Good day to be riding around.
Oh, it's always a good day to ride around. Here, give your friend some of these. Yeah, I got a YouTube page. I'm fucking stupid and having a good time. And since I'm retired, I'm always high. I'm the Beezer guy, man.
Sir?
Check me out, Beezer. I used to own a BSA motorcycles. And that's slang for BSA. Now I have succumbed to a bicycle.
Making money on that YouTube page?
No, I'm non-monetized, so I can put pretty much anything on. They copyright me because I put metal music on in the background, but fuck them. They don't say anything, so I'm all set.
Yeah, so I talked to
All right, guys, enjoy your day. yeah. Hey, Statue of Liberty. I thought that was in New York. Hang on. I'm just a bicycler. Don't know what I do. I don't think they know what they do either. They're probably not busy, but when they have schedules, look at this. Get that off of the sidewalk. Are you kidding me? Look at that tree in the middle of the sidewalk. Oh, I need to fix the driveway, man. That looks horrible.
We are next week. That's our goal.
Huh?
We have a couple bids already. Just waiting for it.
Good. It's a big, huge pothole right in the middle of the. I don't know if I had my thing pointed that way. Do I usually have my thing pointed that way? But yeah. Big crevice. Big, huge. Oh, the pothole was probably about 12, 15 foot long by about 5 foot wide. Yeah, that was bad. Bad news. So I'm going to go to the bank right now. You guys aren't, because I'm going to shut you off so I can save some time for another video along the way. What is this, number 5 or 6 so far? For just this trip to the bank. Bah, whatever. I got metal. Always.